Hello friend, welcome back. This is Golden Thumb. In this video, this is the second video of Kotlin tutorial. We are playing Kotlin inside the Android Studio IDE, Integrated Development Environment. Okay, so if you forgot how to get to this repo, read repo, right? Read, evaluate, print, and loop. So let me show you how to get here. So when you open like when you open your Android Studio, right? Normally you see this kind of thing, and because we are not developing an app for now, we'll do that later. Be patient. So we can hide that, and our repo is here. Tool, right? Tools, Kotlin repo. Okay, and we can select one of them. Yeah. So yeah, and normally it's like this height, and we just use all the screen space, right, to play with that. If you want to clean up to clear, right, the top output panel, we can right click here, right, and clear all like that, and we write code inside the bottom console, right here. You see, and there's a prompt to show us how to execute the code. Okay, so today we'll play the most two important programming structures, like branching, if else, and for loop. Okay, so if else, okay, let's create our value which is a constant, like x equals, say, 7. If x is greater than 5, let's say, we can print line x is greater than 5. Okay, let's run it. Command enter. X is greater than 5. Yes. Now we can make a copy of that if we want to modify the code, right? And paste it here. Now let's change x to, for example, 3. Then command enter. There's no output, right? Because x now is not greater than 5, so it will skip this part. So let's add an else here. Else, print line x is less than 5. Is that correct? No, let's be rigorous. Okay, less than or equal to 5. Now let's run it. X is greater than 5. Copy and paste. Change this to -7 and run again. X is less than or equal to 5. Yes. Okay, now we don't have our editing area is getting smaller and smaller. Let's clear all here. Wow. Okay, now that's the branching thing. Okay, what about a random number value? Random number equals, let's see, random, we can put our random dot next int less than 100. Okay, now let's do, yeah, put our if else here. If random number, you see, autocomplete keeps helping us. Okay, it's greater than 50. Oh, then we can do print line greater than 50, right? Otherwise we can print line less than or equal to 50. Now let's run it. Command, oh yeah, command enter. Let's print out the random number itself. Okay, if we want to show the random number itself, we can put this syntax here, right? $sign random number here. It means this will show the value of random number, right? $sign random number. We cannot remove this one, otherwise it will be output as is, right? The string random num, right? Let's try that first, right? Random number less than that. No, we don't want that. Copy, paste. Now let's add the $sign here. Cool, right? Like this is a placeholder to show the value of the random number, whatever it is. Now you see the random number is 67. Try it again. Hopefully we get another one. Oh no. Undo. Okay, and we want this one. Copy and paste. Command enter. Oh, 13 this time. Okay, now paste and run again. 62. Great. Now clear all. Let's try a for loop. Okay, for loop is like I in, for example, 1.7. So print line, let's see, I, oh sorry, I mean I in, okay, index I equals $I, right? Yeah, command enter. Okay. Oh, print line. There's no line break. I equal. So can we add a line break at the end like that? Oh yes, now it works. Wait a minute, print line doesn't append line break for us. So why do we need print? Can we do print, just print? Let's try. Interesting. So we do need, right, print line here. Okay, like that. No, we need this one. And clear. Try it again. Yes. Now what if we want to print out even number only? Okay, like from 1 to, I want to add it there. No, there's no way to add it here, so we have to copy here, like from 1 to 17 if we only want to print out odd number. So if I, right, mod, it means the remainder divided by 2 equals 0, then we print out the I, right? I is Oh, command enter, right? Even numbers. Yeah. So what if we want to print out odd numbers, right? We change this to, right? That the whenever I divided by 2 with the remainder 1, it means I is an odd number. Okay. Command enter. 1 3 5. Yes, it works. Okay. So we introduced the most important two things in any program language: branching, right? If else, and the for loop. Okay. Thank you for watching. See you next time.